वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का जो हमारा आम टॉपिक है वो फिज़िक्स है और क्लास 9th की फ़िज़िक्स है और उसका यूनिट नंबर 4 है और उसका जो टॉपिक है वो है टर्निंग इफ़ेक्ट्स ऑफ फोर्सेस। तो आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फिज़िक्स 9th क्लास और यूनिट 4। Question number 1 है what is meant by like and unlike forces? Answer है like forces act in the same direction, unlike forces act in opposite directions. Question number 2 है different like and unlike forces using examples. Answer like forces pull together, unlike forces pull apart, like tug of war. Question number 3. Define the resultant of forces. Answer the resultant forces is the sum of all forces acting on an object. Question number 4 है which rule is used to find the resultant of more than two forces? Answer the parallelogram law of forces is used to find the resultant of multiple forces. Question number 5. What is meant by resolution of forces? Answer resolution of forces is the process of splitting a force into a perpendicular components. Question number 6. How is the direction of a vector obtained from its components? Answer the direction of a vector found by taking the arctangent by its y component divided by its x component. Question number 7. The moment of force torque depends on the following factors. Answer moment of force depends on force, distance and angle. Question number 8. What will be moment of force when 500 and force is applied on a 40 centimeters long spinner to tighten NU? Answer moment of force is 200 Nm when 500 and force is applied on a 40 cm long spanner. Question number 9. How is the seesaw balanced? Answer a seesaw is balanced by equalizing moments on both sides. Question number 10. Gives in which principle of movement is observed? Answer examples of principle of movement including seesaw, lever and door hinges. Question number 11. Necessary conditions of for two forces to from a couple. Answer two forces from a couple if they have equal magnitude, opposite direction and parallel lines of action. Question number 12. Calculation of torque of the couple. Answer 5n into 0.5 m is equal to 2.5 nm. So the torque of the couple is 2.5 nm. Question number 13. List three status of equilibrium. Answer number first stable equilibrium, number 2 unstable equilibrium, and number 3 neutral equilibrium. Question number 14. What measures the tuning effect of a force? Answer moment of force. Question number 15. What does the moment of force depend on? Answer magnitude, distance and angle. Question number 16. What forms of a couple? Answer two equal forces acting in opposite direction. Question number 17. What is the turning effect of a couple called? Answer torque. Question number 18. What is the characteristic of a body in equilibrium? Answer no net turning effect. Question number 19. What does stability depend on? Answer position of the center of gravity. Question number 20. What happens to a body in unstable equilibrium? when given a small tilt. Answer: continue tilting. Question number 21. A pair of unlike parallel forces having different lines for force produce answer equilibrium. Question number 22. Head to tail rule can be used to add blank forces. Answer: any number of. Question number 23. A force of 15 and makes an angle of 60 degree with horizontal. Its vertical component will be answer 7n. Question number 24. A body is an equilibrium when it has answer 0 acceleration. Question number 25. A body is stable. A body is in a stable equilibrium after slight tilt at its center of gravity. Answer: remains above the point of contact. Question number 27. A body is in a neutral equilibrium when its center of gravity. Answer: remains at same side. Question number 28. Bunsen burner is made stable by answer is increasing its base area. Question number 29. A tight rope walker carries a long pole to answer lower his center of gravity. Question number 30. Stability of a racing car is increasing by answer lowering its center of gravity. So we will update more about the lectures, answers and questions. Subscribe our channel, pay notification on.